All right, from lightweight, let's go to heavyweight here. Andrei Arlovsky will take on Chase Sherman. Arlovsky is a -120 favorite in this one. So Chaser fade that Sherman could pull off the upset.
I'm going to chase this one too. So Sherman is really active. He lands a lot of striking volume. He's landing about 6 significant strikes per minute. The flip side of his activity is he lands a lot, he absorbs a lot of strikes too, in addition to landing a lot of strikes. So Arlovsky is a lot more patient, but his last 6 wins are by decision. Like, he hasn't finished anybody since 2015, and he's getting old. He's 42. Arlovsky was the UFC heavyweight champion like ages ago, back in like 2005, like around then. So in DFS, Sherman is actually appealing for me at 7,700 because he throws a lot of strikes. So you have that high volume upside, and he has a knockout chance too because Arlovsky doesn't have the greatest chin in the world. So I'd look at Sherman in this fight.